Good day everyone. In this video, we are going to boost the sound on Windows 11 computer. So this video will help you not only boost, it will also help you increase the volume. If you have any kind of sound issues, low sound issues, this will fix it. So we need to open the device manager. So I'll just do a right click in the start icon and this will work on Windows 10 and Windows 11 both. But this video is especially for Windows 11. So here we have this. Once we do the right click, we have this device manager. And once we open it, I'll just maximize it here. We have this sound option and look for anything which says Realtek audio. Please make sure that you have the latest driver for Realtek. So just do a right click and click on update driver and then click on search automatically for the drivers. So that's the basic thing which we should do. That's the first step. And once you have done that, just do a right click and then go to properties and here go to driver, see the date exactly. If you see the latest version here, that is fine. If you do not see, I'll share the video at the end of this video which you can have a look and update the Realtek driver. Now we need to boost and increase the volume of Windows 11. So for that, just do a right click in the start icon and then go to settings. I'll click on system and the second option will be sound. So I'll click on that. I'll just scroll down and here we have this more sound setting. So we need to click on that. Now the moment we do it, on Windows 11 we will see a window like this. Playback, recording, sound, communication. Now I'll just go to playback. Now before I move here, just have a look at the bottom right corner, see the speaker icon here and make sure to the right side here. And once it is checked, just go back to playback and here select your device like speakers and then go to properties and here go to levels and see the level is at 100%. And guys, if you have updated your Realtek driver, you will also have an enhancement tab here where you can boost the bass. So once you have checked it, from here in advanced tab, you can select enable audio enhancement. This should be checked. Once you do that, you will have a better sound quality and select the 24-bit and 48 Hertz in this. So you can also test like this. Spatial sound, you can turn this on Windows Sonic 4 headphones. So if you're using a headphone, you can turn this on. Once you have checked it, just restart the computer and see if your device, if your speaker, your headphone, or even a laptop speaker is playing better sound or not. Let me know in the comment section if you have done it, and if you have any issues, please let me know in the comment section. I'll try my best to fix your problem. And guys, please hit the like and subscribe. I'll see you in the next tutorial. Have a wonderful day.